evening, my Destinarian friends. It's Ryjel Destiny here, and I'm about to throw boiling water into sub-zero temperatures. It's not actually sub-zero, it's only 19 degrees outside, but I'm boiling some water on the stove, and I'm gonna throw it outside and see what happens. Okay, our water is almost to a rapid boil. I'm gonna give it just a second longer. It's almost there. And then we'll toss it outside. Okay, we are at a very rapid boil. Let's take this outside and see what happens. Okay. Ready to go. It's starting to cool. You can see it smoking. So I'm just gonna throw it right here in the street. This is 19 degrees. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Now, there we go. All right. Well, that wasn't so bad, but supposedly it actually works better if you're in sub-zero weather. For in this case, it's only 19 degrees out here, which is below freezing, but not 0 degrees. So, well, there you have it. Throw in boiling water in cold temperatures. Hope you all enjoyed, and this is Ryjel Destiny signing off. Be sure to protect, unite, inspire, and expand your friends as I have, and it is time to live your dream and become one. Also, Merry Christmas in a week.